peace and blessing all the 100 children and thing with Dale Jonah and thing like that. It is show the Queen quit head from the body of the Gullah Geechee Nation. They right your back on Potawatomi head name the Potawatomi and thing like that because this your part of the causeway, so you ain't supposed to did it for some Potawatomi Island yet. We call Palawana and thing like that. But we want to say thank you to all the 100 children who get the word out all across the world. But what been going on young? You're steady. We've been there to the weeping time in Savannah. And we launched the Gullah Geechee, Saving the Gullah Geechee Land Caravan right there. Why? Because all these years that we sacred area and things like that, where we ancestors and things we did it, and things been going on to we ancestors, we can't let these other rest of people come in here and broke up this shit. We pray that all of you have heard about it, all of you are participating in it, that watch the first video of me coming to this sacred burial area.